Welcome back to our channel, where we are all about helping you improve your finances. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important things you can do for your financial future: investing. Investing can be intimidating, especially if you're new to it. But the good news is that it's never too late to start. In this video, we'll cover the basics of investing and give you tips and strategies for making smart investment decisions. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your knowledge, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Why invest? Investing is an essential part of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. By investing your money, you're giving it the opportunity to grow and work for you over time. The key is to start early and be consistent. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested regularly can add up to significant wealth over time. Types of investments. There are many different types of investments to choose from, each with their own unique risks and rewards. Some of the most common types of investments include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Stocks are shares of ownership in a company, while bonds are debt securities issued by companies or governments. Mutual funds are a collection of stocks and bonds managed by a professional, while real estate is property that can be rented or sold for a profit. Each type of investment has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to understand which one is right for you. Building an investment portfolio. Once you've decided which type of investment is right for you, it's time to start building your investment portfolio. A portfolio is simply a collection of investments that you own. The key to building a successful investment portfolio is diversification. Diversification means investing in a variety of different assets, so that if one investment does poorly, your other investments can help offset the losses. Setting investment goals. Before you start investing, it's important to set investment goals. Your goals will depend on your individual financial situation and what you want to achieve. Some common investment goals include saving for retirement, buying a home, or paying for your child's education. Setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals will help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards your financial objectives. Risks and rewards. Investing always comes with some level of risk. The key is to understand the risks and rewards associated with each investment, and to choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Stocks, for example, tend to be more volatile than bonds, but they also have the potential for higher returns. Understanding the risks and rewards of each investment will help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Investing strategies. There are many different strategies you can use when investing, depending on your individual goals and risk tolerance. Some popular strategies include dollar cost averaging, value investing, and growth investing. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. Value investing involves finding undervalued stocks and holding them for the long term, while growth investing involves investing in companies that are expected to grow at a faster rate than the market. Avoiding common investing mistakes. Investing can be complex and challenging, and even experienced investors make mistakes from time to time. Some of the most common investing mistakes include trying to time the market, failing to diversify, and letting emotions drive investment decisions. By avoiding these common mistakes and sticking to your investment strategy, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your investment goals. Now that you know the basics of investing, it's time to get started. We hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe for more tips on how to improve your finances. Thanks for watching.